Good morning, Andrea and John. Here's Blind Date, poised to leap onto her trip to Wimberley, Texas. It's Saturday morning, November 23rd, bright sunshine. Frank will be here in just a couple of minutes. And we have her various materials ready to pack in his truck. And Blind Date is a little frosty on top this morning. I pulled her out last night so she'd be ready to go. Today's forecast, brilliant sunshine, warm weather, dry roads. Couldn't ask for a better set of conditions for her to begin her trip home. All right, Frank's here and we're hooking up and she's ready to ride. We've got her hooked up, lights are all working. That's Frank's brand new truck. Of course, it's not a Ram, but okay. And she'll be stored in a, as he told you, in a shed with a roof inside a compound, a lock compound. Blind Date, you've been a wonderful member of the family here. Have a safe trip home. Andrea and John are waiting for you with bated breath, I know. Look at the sunshine. Excuse me, dry roads. And there she goes. Thank you again, Andrea and John, for the honor of saving Blind Date. I'm hoping you have many wonderful years enjoying her in Texas and places thereabouts. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.